So this is Stefan-Boltzmann apparatus, and it is used to find the Stefan-Boltzmann constant. So here, if we are discussing the main components, we are having a water heater, and then there are four thermocouples, and inside this there is a hemisphere, and on the surface of those hemisphere there are four thermocouples, and these 1, 2, 3, 4 represent the readings of those four thermocouples. Then we have a 5 here, which represents the thermocouple reading on this disk, and this disk is our main experimental setup. Then this is the ebonite rod on which we are keeping this disk. Then we have a reading called T6, that is the reading from the thermocouple which is kept inside this water heater. So what we do is, first we will be switching on this switch so that water heater works, and then we switch on this so that we are able to take the panel readings. So in panel reading, first what we do is, we will be adjusting this one, this knob to 6, so that we are getting the reading at this thermocouple at this water heater. So we will wait till this reads 100 degrees Celsius. Then what we do is, when the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, so what we intend to do is, we will opening this valve so that the water will be filling inside. But before that, we want to avoid that. So before that, we want to avoid this one. There will be cold water inside this one, so that have to be removed. For that, what we do is, we will be switching on these two valves so that the cold water will be drained out. So after this entire water is drained out, we'll be closing this. Then we will be keeping this one here, and we will be switching on this knob. Now the hot water from this heater will be filling in the hemisphere inside it, and we will be keeping this open. So when water fills inside this one, and when it drains out, when it overflows, we can see water will be flowing through this particular tube, and when water overflows, we will close it. Then we will close. Okay. So then this is the main experimental setup. So we will be inserting this one in. Below it there is a hole through which we are able to insert this experimental setup, and we will be locking it. Now